great opportunities. Drones. Hello all, this is Steve Foss, an LMC student spreading the news. Los Medanos College is offering drone classes. This is going to be great. You'll get to learn things like airport operations. You'll get the chance to read aeronautical charts. Oh, this is great. Also gives one a chance to take a prep class for the FAA P107 Remote Pilot Certificate to fly a UAV. These drone piloting classes are an opportunity to prepare one today for a job tomorrow. This is great. This is Stephen Foss, signing out.